everybody, it's Jamie and Ross from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon, and welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What do we make today, Ross?
Today we're making the French Sherbert.
French Sherbert.
The French Sherbert. It has gin,
Okay,
and triple sec,
Okay.
and some orange juice, some lime juice.
that's it.
So yes, and we're gonna shake it on some ice.
Okay,
So
making for two.
make it for two. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of gin
1, 2.
and 2 ounces of the triple sec.
1, 2.
If you've watched this before, you'll know that triple sec is kind of like an orange liqueur.
Okay, so that's 2 ounces.
2 ounces
freshly
of
squeezed orange juice. Perfect.
And then the same with lime.
Perfect.
Jamie is gonna shake.
So shake that on ice.
So the French Sherbert part of the name, triple sec, although most people use it when they're making margaritas, which are Mexican, it actually comes from France. So that's the French part. And the sherbet, traditional sherbet is orange, and so that's where the French sherbet comes from. So
Yes, we'll find out.
we'll see. Looks like a hoity-toity type drink.
Just looks like it. Just looks like
Oh,
a.
that's nacho. I don't think people have used the term hoity-toity as much as they should. I think we should use it more often. No?
Here's a nice little.
Nice tweel.
Yeah, I know. I worked on that for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, the French Sherbert. Let's give it a shot. Limey. It's not
A lot of limey.
not Frenchy
I don't see why it's particularly French
or sherbety.
or sherbety. It's just like
It's just like
Gin and
juice is really what it is.
fancy gin and juice.
It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
I don't mind
If
it.
you like a fancy gin and juice.
Give it a go. The French Sherbet. Cheers.